Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Snack English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Adam.
Hi, Adam. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you today.
Today, we have a very interesting topic. It is something we all do every single day. We are talking about morning routines. What do you do when you wake up? Sarah, I have a big question for you to start. Are you a morning person?
Oh, definitely. I love the morning. I think it is the best part of the day. The world is quiet, and I have a lot of energy. What about you, Adam? Are you a morning person?
No, not really. I'm a night owl. I like the night better. In the morning, I am usually very tired. I move very slowly.
Tell us, what time does your alarm clock ring?
My alarm rings at 7:30 a.m., but I have a bad habit. I usually hit the snooze button. I sleep for 10 more minutes. Then the alarm rings again at 7:40 a.m. Then I finally get up.
Oh, the snooze button. That is dangerous. If I hit snooze, I might sleep until noon.
Sarah, you wake up early, right?
Yes, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day, even on weekends.
What is the first thing you do? Do you check your phone?
No, never. I try not to look at my phone in the morning. First, I go to the kitchen and I drink a big glass of water. I am always thirsty in the morning. After that, I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up.
That sounds very healthy. I'm the opposite. The first thing I do is look at my phone. I check my emails and the news. After that, I go to the kitchen, but not for water. I need coffee. After coffee, I feel human again. Then I take a shower. I like a hot shower. It helps me relax before work. Then I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes, like a t-shirt and jeans. What about you, Sarah? Do you exercise?
Yes, I do. After I wash my face, I put on my running shoes. I go for a run in the park near my house. I run for about 30 minutes. When I come back, I feel great. Then I take a shower and get dressed for work.
Do you eat breakfast?
Of course, breakfast is my favorite meal. I usually eat oatmeal with some fruit, like a banana or an apple. Sometimes I eat eggs if I am very hungry. What do you eat, Adam?
I usually skip breakfast, or I just eat something small, like a piece of toast. I'm usually in a rush. Sarah, does your routine change on the weekend, on Saturday and Sunday?
A little bit. On Saturday, I still wake up early, maybe 7 a.m., but I don't run. Instead, I read a book and drink tea. I take my time.
On Saturdays, I sleep until 10 a.m. That is my favorite part of the week.
Everyone is different. Some people need more sleep, and some people need less. The important thing is to have a routine that works for you.
I agree. A good routine can make your whole day better. If I have a good morning, I usually have a good day at work. If I have a bad morning or if I'm late, I feel stressed all day.
Exactly. Starting the day calmly is very important.
Okay, listeners, before we finish, let's look at some important words we use today.
Habit. Habit. A habit is something you do often or every day. You do it without thinking. It can be a good habit or a bad habit. Example, brushing your teeth in the morning is a good habit.
Rush, R-U-S-H. You move very fast because you don't have enough time. If you rush, you might forget things. Example, I was late for work, so I had to rush out the door. Thank you, Sarah. Those are great words for our listeners to practice.
You're welcome, Adam. I hope everyone tries to use these words this week.
Sarah, thank you so much for joining us today. It was fun to hear about your healthy morning, and thank you to our listeners. Now, I have a question for you. Are you a morning person or a night owl? What is one thing you do every morning? Please write your answer in the comments below. We love reading your stories.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful morning.
See you next time.